अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। कैफा हालुकुम? मेरी आवाज़ सबको आ रही है? Am I audible?
नाम बखैर अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह।
Okay. I hope you guys are doing practice. How is going it? And if there would be any confusion, kindly do let me know, as I know that there is a lot to do. You can say for the implementation we need a lot of practice, especially girdane and tasarif. So kindly do let me know if there would be any confusion in your head, so we can work on that. Like for instance, you know that yesterday and day before yesterday we have discussed about fele mazi and fele mudare, and including dual and plural. So I wanted to know if there would be any query from any of you. So do let me know. We can discuss, and we can practice all together, because the more you will do the practice, the more you will get to know the understanding towards the tasarif of fele mudare and fele mazi. Yes, Sumaira, Zainab, is there any confusion in your head, or everything has cleared? I hope you got complete clarity towards understanding the tasarif.
हमने कौन कौन सी गर्दान की है?
हमने फेले अमर, फेले मादी एंड माजी एंड फेले मुदारे, but yesterday we only had done the fele mudare and fele mazi. As you know that it was little difficult and tricky, because some stuff is similar to, and you can say they are overlapping kind of thing, because it's all about the work of Arab, and we need to understand that which Arab will come where, and where we need to add alif ya ta, or where we need to remove alif ya ta. As you all know, let me share the screen. We can again discuss it, repeat it. So I hope there would more clarity. Yes, my screen is visible to everyone. Yes, Zainab.
जी
Sumaya. Now tell me if there would be any question. This is Fele Mudare. We already have discussed about that, including their dual and plural. Okay, let me show you. See, this is you. It is, sorry, it is the, wait, it is the ghaib, absent, like he or she they are talking about. Firstly, we will discuss about Mudare Hazir. Mudare Hazir is second person who is in front of me. Like I'm talking to you male and you female. So tadribu, you are hitting or you hit. Tadribani, two, I'm talking about two males. So I would love you guys to repeat with me all together. We can do some repetition practice, so we can automatically get the understanding to say how can we transform singular into dual and plural. Tadribu, tadribani, tadribuna. This is all for male, for second person male. Tadribu is singular, tadribani is dual, and tadribuna is plural. Tadribina is for female second person. So tadribina singular, tadribani dual, tadribna plural. Okay. Tadribu, tadribani, tadribuna, tadribina, tadribani, tadribna. And Muzari Ghaib means when we talk about them, he, she, them. So first male, he he is hitting or he hits. Yadribu. Yadribu is singular for he male, Yadribani, dwell, yadribuna, plural. Tadribu, she hits, tadribani, dwell, yadribna, plural. Likewise, fail mutakallim, muzari mutakallim, adribu, I hit, nadribu, we hit. Yes. Did you get the clarity to understand fail mudare in complete manner? Yes, Zainab. Sumaira.
Yes, I want to ask one thing. Mudare is used for present as well as future, both.
Can you please speak louder?
I am asking that this mudare, pele
Yes.
mudare, is used for both present and future.
It's
For both,
present. It's present. But
because it's
I told you
मारता है या मारेगा.
exactly. When we say, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, you know. So in this way, we can use it. All right. Usually you can say that it's a kind of present. All right.
Okay, okay, okay. It's only a present. And what is for future? Pele amar is future.
No. Fele Amar is not future. Fele Amar is commanding. Future, I told you, if you
Okay.
remember, we will not learn the Girdan of future because it's very easy to understand as I have mentioned earlier, if you remember. I have mentioned earlier that we need to add seen. We need to add seen before Fele Mudare. Like for instance, if I would say, and when we add seen before the Fele Mudare, it means it's a very near future. Near future is like I'm gonna do this in evening. I'm gonna do that in afternoon. But for the future, if
Yes, yes.
for far
Yeah, I
future,
remember.
for tomorrow, for day after tomorrow, we will use saufa. Saufa.
Oh, okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
we
Saufa tadribu means
Satadribu. Satadribu. Satadribu is he will hit, but it is a near future. He is gonna hit.
yes.
It is near future. And if I would say Saufa Tadribu, it means he will hit. Means it is a
Okay.
far future. He will be hitting. वो मार रहा होगा. Or else like this.
Yes. Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
He will be hit it. वो मारेगा. Okay? So like this. Saufa and seen. Here we are not supposed to share the girdane for fele mustaqbil because there are nothing different. Like we need to understand the words. We need to catch the root word and then we need to add them and remove them, the things, Arab or letters in Fele Mudare and Fele Mazi and Fele Amar. But we are not supposed to discuss future here because we have to get the clarity that only seen we will add before Fele Mudare if we want the we want to say about the near future. But if we want to say about the far future, so we will add Saufa before Fele Mudare. That's it. Okay? I hope you got
Oh,
clarity.
okay.
All right.
Yes. Thank you.
So this was the Fele Mudare and this was the Fele Amar. एक second. Fele Mazi पे आ जाते हैं पहले. Yes, Fele Mazi. Now Fele Mazi darabta. Darabta, darabti. Darabtu. As I told you, it's all a part of Arab. If if it talks about me, I did, I hit it means darabtu. But if it talks about you hit it for male, it is darabta. And if I'm talking about female, you female, second person, you hit it darabti. So this is all about the difference in between these three words, darabta, darabti, and darabtu. only i'rab are different. For darabta, zabar, there would be zabar or fatha. Darabti, there would be kasra, and darabtu, there would be dhamma. Only this would be the different in between the tenses, in between the past tense. When we go to the mazi, maruf, ghayab, so daraba, he hit it. It is ghayab means it is not present. It is he or she. Daraba, he hit it. Darabat, she hit it. So likewise, yesterday we have discussed more words. So we can add them and we can make them in this way. And as we have discussed yesterday, I told you all that we need to make charts so we can easily get to know how can we discriminate the things like katab. So how can I say right? Shall we move on to the failure amar as well, as we have discussed earlier, or not now? It would be a lot for you. Yes, please let me know. Shall we shall we do practice only failure mudare or and failure mazi, or shall we also discuss failure amar?
This practice.
Yes, for
फिर
the
मैं तो
practice.
ज्यादा फेले मजारे और फेले माजी पे पहले कर लें बेहतर है.
Okay, later on we can practice amar. Okay, all right. So, for instance, let's move on to the failure mudare here. Failure mudare. Second person. So if I would say you write or you are writing, how would I say? Anybody know? Yes. Anyone know? Taktub. Taktub. Taktub.
Anta taktubu.
What?
Anta taktubu. Anta taktubu.
Perfect. Not necessary that you will put anta. Both are correct. Anta taktubu or taktubu. Okay, taktubu. Right now we are learning the tasarif. That's why we don't. We won't add ana or anta. We only have to focus to understand the tasarif. These sighe, Arabic sighe, to understand that how the way we can transform from one siga to another, like tadribu, taktubu, tadribani, taktubani, tadribuna, taktubuna, tadribina, taktubina, tadribani, taktubani, tadribna, taktibna. Likewise, fail muzare ghaib, yadribu, he is hitting or he hits. And we will say yaktubu, yaktubani, yaktubuna, taktubu, taktubani, taktubna. So in this way we can make it like iqra. Who will make it in fail mudare? Iqra. Basically, what is iqra? Is it fail mudare or fail amar?
Fele amar.
Exactly.
Fele amar.
Iqra means read. Like I am commanding that read. Like the first word of revelation, Quran's word of revelation is iqra. So it's commanding word, iqra. How can we transform this word into the fail mudare? If I would say I read, you read, she read, she reads, he reads. How would I say?
Qara'a.
What?
Qara'a.
इसको बनाओ तो सही ना।
No, it's a फेले माजी. I am asking about फेले मुदारे. Okay, it's
تقرأ تقرأ يقرأ
exactly. تقرأu, you read. تقرباني, you both of you reads. Both of you read. تقربونا, تقربينا, تقرباني, تقربنا. Now we will move on. غائب, मुजारे मारूफ गायब. How would we say? Sorry, I am wrong. I was
يقرأ.
sorry. Tadribu, taqra'u. Taqra'u. Okay. For now, we can focus on only singular and singular tasarif, and then later on we can discuss about dual and plural as we have done yesterday. Otherwise, it will get some confusion. Okay. Taqra'u. Here, how can we transform the taqra'u for second person
تقرأين.
female?
يريد تصلي
تقرأين.
Exactly. Taqra'ina. Okay. Taqra'u, taqra'ina. All right. Likewise, if there would be a third person we talk about, yadribu. How would we say? Yaqra'u.
يقرأ
Yaqra'u and taqra'u. And how would I say for fe'le mutakallim? I and we. How would we say?
نقرأ
Yes, akra'u, nakra'u. All right. Again, we can repeat. Taqra'u, taqra'ina. Yaqra'u, taqra'u. Akra'u, nakra'u. Now let's move on to the fe'le mazi. Okay. So here how can we say it? Daraba. Qara'a. It's he. He read. Qara'a. Qara'at. She read. Are you getting it? Qara'a. He read. Qara'at. She read. You read. How can we say? Qarata. You female read. Qarati. And if I talk about me, I read. Qaratu. Qarana. So this was the fe'le mazi. I hope it's a bit confusing, but when we make charts for every single word, because there are number of words we have to make in different tenses in terms of words fail. So we need to remember about the things because the word is the same, but we need to differentiate in adding and subtracting the Arab and words and letters. So these kind of things we need to work on. We need to make the charts, okay? Any other word? Let's practice for that. एक second. Yesterday, which words we have decided to make? Wait a minute. Sharab. Let's make for sharab. drink. Okay, Muzare Hazir. How can we make you drink? You male drink, you female drink, she and he drinks. How can we make it?
تشرب
Exactly. Tashrabu.
Tashrubu.
Sharaba.
Sharaba is past. We are talking about Fele Mudare present.
Tashrubu, tashrabina.
Yes. Can we make it again? Tashrabu. Yes, who will make it? If we would say second person female, so how would we say?
Tashrabina.
Exactly. Tashrabu, tashrabina. Now let's move on to Ghaib. Yashrabu, tashrabu. And for Dare Mutakallim, ashrabu and nashrabu. Now, how can we make it in Fele Mazi? Who will make it?
شربت
Exactly. Sharabta, he drank. Sorry, you drank. Sharabta, you drank male. Sharabti, you drank female. And Sharabtu, I drank. See here only Arab are different and words are similar. Sharabna, we drank. Now, Fele Mazi, Ghayab. Sharaba, he drank. Sharabat, she drank. All right. So I hope some things have the clarity in your head. Like here, we can see ghasalti. You, I'm talking to you, a female, second person. Ghasalti, ghasaltu, ghasalta. He washed. Ghasala, she washed. Ghasalat. Like taraktum. Here they are saying for all of the males who are in front of me, who are present. All right. Yes, please do let me know if there is still confusion in your head. Otherwise, we can make more words. And do let me know that tomorrow we can move on in some more work, or shall we stay here and do more practice? Do let me know. Yes, everyone.
Ma'am, I understand Mazi and Muzare.
Sorry, what are you saying?
Ma'am, मुझे माजी समझ नहीं आया. I don't understand the Mazi.
You didn't understand Mazi. Beta, yesterday's class is recording. You have to check that recording. Yesterday and day before yesterday, we have discussed Mazi and Muzare in a very deep manner. You can check those classes so you can get the clarity. But again, I can explain it here as well. You also can check the recording. So it would help you a lot. Okay. Mazi Hazir. All right, Mazi, I say you hit it. You hit it. Darabta. You female. I'm talking to you. I mean second person. Second person who is in front of me. I'm talking to you male or you female. So darabta is for you male, darabti is for you female. See, the both words and both pronunciation is the similar, but what is the difference in between both of these male and female second person? That Arab here, darabta for the male second person, there is a fatha, and here for the female second person there is a kasra. And if I talk about myself, so there is a dhamma. But all of these three words are similar. Just look, this is the tip to understand, get the clarity, so you can easily understand and you can easily do the practice. After doing the practice, you can learn easily. This is the tip, that only Arab difference is in between these three words: darabta, darabti, darabtu. Darabta is for you male, darabti is for you female, and darabtu is for me, mutakallim. It can be male or female, anyone. But if I am talking about myself, it means darabtu. And check this word. In Fele Mudare, you can see adrabu. Adrabu. If we will remove this, I hope, Ashar, you are getting it. If wait a minute. If we will remove, if we will remove alif from the Fele Mudare, so dod, ra, ba left. So we need to remove from the Fele Mudare, we need to remove the beginning letters like alif, noon, ta, ya, and we have to start the word from the root word. And after the root word, end of the word, we need to add something in past. If we want to make the word in past or mazi, so we need to add the word at the end. In Fele Mudare, we need to add the word at the beginning, but in past, we need to add the word or Arab at the end. Like darab, darab ta, darab ti, darab tu, darab na. Are you getting it? So you need to get the clarity towards understanding the pattern. The past tense pattern is here. Past tense pattern is, you can see, darab, ta, darab, ti. If we would say in Fele Ghaib, daraba, he hit it, darabat. So have you noticed that we need to use the word and at the end we need to add or subtract something in mazi. And if we talk about Fele Mudare, so we need to add the word in the beginning. So automatically you will get to know that in mazi, I have to use the word and add something at the end. I hope you got it, Ashar. You get more clarity after watching the rest of the recordings. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
All right. Perfect. So we have discussed about the Fele Mazi and Fele Mudare. Let's check the book as well. If there would be any new vocabulary we can figure out and we can do some practice for that. Like here, there are multiple fails we can see. Here, yaghsilu. Who will make it complete sigas of Fele Mudare? Yaghsilu. What does it mean, yaghsilu?
सारे लगा
अगसिलु मैंने किया
क्या
तब
किया ये तो देखो
It's okay. You just have to make it, transform it. Don't match it. Only make it. Focus on this. So yaghsilu, he washed.
मसाला
No,
मसाला
first make Fele Mudare.
फिर मुझे
अगसिलु
अगलिसु
अगसिलु
अगसिलु
Yeah,
मैं
I washed. I'm washing.
I wash.
I'm washing.
تغسل.
تغسل. He wash.
You.
You wash.
Okay. If we talk about second female person,
वो تغسلين.
Good.
perfect. Good job. Jayed.
يغسل. He wash.
Good. अगला.
تغسل. She wash. نغسل. We wash.
Okay, good job. And if we talk about Fele Mazi, yes, Ashar. If we want to make it in Fele
This-
Mazi,
एंड में लगा हुआ बता.
we'll remove ya.
ضرب.
नहीं
We will remove ya
हाँ.
and we will start from Ghain
Oh.
Sin Lam. Ghasal.
غسلت.
Yes. I wash.
غسلت. I wash.
washed.
Washed. غسلت. You wash. غسلتي. You wash for female. ضربنا. वो كده. غسلنا. We wash. We wash.
Ghasala, he washed.
غسل.
Ghasala,
غسل.
he
He
washed.
wash.
Ghasalat, she washed.
غسلت. He wash.
Okay,
She
good
washed.
job. Jayed, Mumtaz, Ashar. Well done. Okay, now who will make this one? Number 4. Anyone can make it? Okay, let me make it. Yaknusu, he sweeps. Aknusu, I sweep. Naknusu, we sweep. Yaknusu, he sweeps. Taknusu, she sweeps. Taknusu, you sweeps. Taknusina, you sweeps. If I would transform Fele Mudare to Fele Madi, so I will remove ya from Yaknusu and I will start from the root word kanas. And I have to add something at the end in past, Mazi. So, how would I make it? Kanas na, we swept. Kanastu, I swept. Kanasta, you swept. Kanasti, you swept. Kanasa, he swept. Kanasat, she swept. Okay, so I hope you guys understood. I will try my level best to make the chart for these all words. And who will make for Yusalli? Fele Mazi. Who will make it? Fele Mazi. If we will remove ya from this word, so how would we make it in Fele Mazi?
يسلطوا.
Yeah, remove the ya. Ya only we will add when we will make Fele Mudare.
سلطوا. سلطوا. He spray. Salty. Salty. You pray for me for females.
No. Sallaitu. I prayed.
Salaitu.
Sallaita. You prayed. Sallaiti. You prayed. Sallai. He prayed. Sallat. She prayed. Okay, I hope you got it. I will try to make charts for these words. Yaskunu, yatawadda, yushahid, yazhabu. Try to make more words or try to transform these words into the past. Inshallah, we will discuss it in tomorrow's class because I want to move on. Because there are a lot of things we need to cover, and tomorrow we will discuss about Fele Amar. Try to revise it more as the more you will do the practice, the more you will get the clarity to understand the sarif, and the more you will practice, the more you will get the grip to discriminate in between Fele Mazi, Fele Mudare, and Fele Amar. All right. If there is no question, so I should have to wrap up the class because we have only 1 minute left. Yes. Anything else you want to ask?
I understand.
All right. So let's wrap up the class. Sanaltaki gadan biiznillahi ta'ala. Ma salama. Allah Hafiz.
Ma salamati.